Now let's make a smoothie. Here we have half a pomegranate, half a strawberry, half kiwi, half pear, and half plum. Yum! Our smoothie is ready! Red pomegranate. Green watermelon. Purple grapes. Purple plum. Green pear. Pink dragon fruit. Yellow peach. Green kiwi. Red strawberry. Now let's make a smoothie. Here we have half a pomegranate, half a strawberry, half kiwi, half pear, and half plum. Yum! Our smoothie is ready! Blue, yellow and brown cupcake. Brown and red, chocolate-covered strawberry. Yum! White and pink. Cake. Brown and white chocolate swirl. Chocolate, brown, and purple bundt cake. 1, 2. 2 purple plates. 1, 2. 2 orange forks. What should we eat first? How about this cake along with the chocolate swirl? And let's have some cupcake with a strawberry cake and a chocolate covered strawberry. Yum! How about some more treats? Here we have a blue and green ice cream popsicle. Yum! Here we have another popsicle, but this one's orange and yellow. And here we have a red and purple popsicle. How about an ice cream sandwich? Pink strawberry ice cream with candy cookies. Candy cookies and strawberry sandwich. Ice cream sandwich. Now let's have some vanilla with chocolate cookies. So this makes it a chocolate cookie vanilla ice cream. And one more ice cream sandwich. This one's going to be a chocolate ice cream with chocolate chip cookies. Yum! My favorite. Now we have 1, 2, 3 ice cream sandwiches, 1, 2, 3 ice cream popsicles, 1, 2, 3 cakes, 1 cupcake, and 1 chocolate covered strawberry.